And that would be a significant movement when you're looking at one drop down in a grading would raise interest rates considerably for U.S. debt. So what's interesting, we've actually, at the close of last week, we entered into a very rare, exceedingly rare, quite frankly, event in the history of the bond market. It actually cost more for the U.S. government today to borrow than other corporations. For example, Warren Buffett can borrow cheaper now in the bond markets than the U.S. government, and this is very rare. And rising public debt could lead to governments to eliminate it through two ways. One, default. We talked about Greece, and if you had a default, what would happen from a moral hazard perspective if you did have a sovereign nation in what would be an advanced economy sovereign nation default on its debt, how that would roil the market. The second part is, and you start to seeing rumors now of inflation, the other ways that countries can eliminate the debt issue is to print money, and then will create a hyperinflation point of view. That would be devastating to interest rates, because if that were to rear its ugly head, we would see interest rates escalate very quickly.